Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you guys how I do my Marley Braids protective style. And I'll be using the Yaman Afro Kinky hair. I used the 1B and number 2. Here we go. So first I'm gonna mist my hair with some water. Then I'm gonna apply some Giovanni Direct leave-in to keep my hair moisturized, because you know it's best to keep your hair moisturized when doing a protective style. Then I'm gonna part my hair to the size that I want it to. I don't want it to be too small, so I'm gonna do it in a medium size. So I'm only gonna use one strand of Marley hair. Then I'm gonna plait it in until my natural hair finishes. When my natural hair finishes, I tightly twist the Marley hair. Then for about an inch, then I loosely twist the rest of the Marley hair until I reach the end. When I get to the end of the Marley hair, I tightly twist it so that it does not unravel easily. So when it's finished, it should look something like that. Again, first I'm gonna moisturize my hair, at least the end of my hair, with some raw shea butter. Then I use one strand of Marley hair and I braid it in until I reach the end of my natural hair, which is not a lot because my hair is short. When I get to the end of my natural hair, I tightly twist the Marley hair for about an inch, and then I loosely twist the rest of the hair until I reach the end. When I get to the end, I tightly twist the Marley hair so that it does not unravel easily. There you go. So it has that natural Marley look. And this is the finished product, just the way I want it to look. Marley. Call me Empress Mashi.